Hi, my name is Samsur Rahman. I completed my SSC in 2018 from Bogota Public School and College. Also, I completed my SSC in 2021 from Bogota Public School and College also. I currently studying at WL International University at Computer Science and Engineering. Since I started my journey in computer science, I developed a strong passion for technology and software development. My dream is to become a software engineer and build innovative software that can help real world problem solution. I enjoy learning new programming languages, exploring modern technologies, and improving my problem solving skill. Beside my academic studies, I working on several large personal software projects that can help me to gain practical experience at software industry and technology industry. Believe and extend my technology ability. I believe this project will prepare me for the challenge for the software industry. I always believe that success comes through hard work, consistency, and continuous learning. My goal is not about a software engineer. My goal is about a software engineer that can contribute the technology industry by creating useful and impactful solution. Uh, I have so many hobbies like gardening. Um, Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I look forward to learning.